Hi everybody. Hope you're all doing well today. I told you guys that if somebody had a question to post it below in the comments or and I'd try to make a video or answer for you. Well, somebody asked me today about marketing, so I just thought I'd share what I do. I'm absolutely no expert at any of this. I've never taken a computer class or a marketing class or anything like that. I'm just going to tell you from experience, um, what worked for me in my store. And I've had a store for several years, and I've just learned from experience what works and what doesn't, at least for me. And I hope that anybody else who's successful at Zazzle will add their comments below too, so we can all help each other out. So anyway, number one is niche. Find a unique and interesting niche, whether it's colorful baby showers or cryptozoology or paranormal stuff, whatever it is, just find a niche and stick with it. That way you'll have returning customers, and when somebody does a search for your style of merch, there won't be like 5 billion other things exactly like it. So find a niche is my first piece of advice. Two, I only market on free networks. I know a lot of people will disagree with me on this. I've never taken a marketing class or a computer class. Everything I've learned on the computer, I've just done on my own. And for me, what works is I market on everywhere, like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook groups, blogs are big. But my very number one marketing tool is Pinterest by far. When I go to Google Analytics and look at where all my traffic comes from, it's like 95% from Pinterest. So you don't want to spam Pinterest, but you do want to have a Pinterest related to, where you can post your Zazzle products for sure. Every single time I make a product, I post it on Twitter and Pinterest and in my Facebook group. So number three, make products with a purpose. So if you're a photographer, an artist, we might love our own art or like the picture we took of the ducks swimming in the lake, but chances are there's 100 posters of ducks swimming in lakes on Zazzle. So what you want to do is you want to put a purpose to your product, like put the duck swimming in a lake on a card that says thinking of you, or just make sure that everything has a purpose, because people, that's when they search stuff on Google or Zazzle, when they're looking for, like, they have a friend that's in need, so they want a thinking of you card. So they're like, oh, this is a lovely picture and it's on a thinking of you card, so I'm going to get it. So whatever you make, make sure it has not only like pretty art or photograph or whatever, but also that there's a purpose behind it, like that it's for somebody's birthday or a baby shower or a wedding, or thinking of you or missing you, or I hope you feel better. Just make sure there's a purpose, because that's usually what people search first on Zazzle. They don't put in looking for a picture of a duck on a lake. They put in like looking for a thinking of you card. So anyway, that's my 3 simple tips. I thought I'd keep it short, but that's what has worked for me. So let me know what has worked for you, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Happy Zazzling. Bye.